Mopar time here, unique especially in classics. A little later year model muscle car. 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT8 limited edition in Hemi Orange Pearl. 6.1 liter Hemi underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia grille. Chin spoiler, of course. Carbon fiber style graphics on the hood. Original miles, just a little over 64,000 on this one is all. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website, clicking on that link. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Big Brembo brakes up front. SRT wheels. I did notice a little bit of rash on this front one. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Black interior with the suede seat inserts. There might be a very small spot here or there. I know it's just a little bit of touch up, but I'm talking minor. I don't know if you can see that right there. There's another tiny one down below. Otherwise, paint shows well, nice shine to it. In the still pictures, you're going to notice the side windows, a little bit of tint to them. So make sure that you know your local and state laws as far as the darkness of tint, what is allowed by percentage-wise. There you can see one of the options on this car. It does have a sunroof. Speaking of options, it also has the SRT option group 2, which has to do with the stereo system, has to do with the sub, the amp, 6 CD player, MP3, 13 high performance speakers, also white face gauge cluster. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Flat black spoiler, and if you look down below, you notice we got a little wider in diameter exhaust system coming out the rear of this car. So dual exhaust, and that is 3-inch Flowmasters underneath there. It also has a Predator tune. Catalytic converters are intact on the car. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video. I'll let you hear it run, but if you want to see those undersides so you can see what I'm talking about, you'll also be able to see in the trunk. Take a look at the stereo pictures, that type of thing. uniqueclassiccars.com. Something else I try to remind people, maybe you like these later model, higher horsepower cars, maybe you like old classics, maybe you like square body trucks, whatever it may be, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. There are videos uploaded daily of vehicles that we do have available to purchase. One little touch-up spot here too. I don't know if you can see that again. I'm being awful fussy. Nice shape for 64,000 mile car. It's a few years old now. What? Coming up on 15, give or take. Be a copy of the window sticker and with the still pictures so you can see exactly how this car is equipped. Your late model amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We do have a power seat over here on the driver's side. You can see the suede inlays. Nice shape bolster. Doesn't look too bad on this side. Hemi orange inserts on the backrest. Of course, tilt column, steering wheel controls. That automatic transmission with overdrive center console. And let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, there's your exact mile, 64,214. Slide the seat back just a tad. Power seat, working order, and as you can see, sunroof also working. Does have heated seats. There we go. Stereo system working as it should. All right, and just so you know, this doesn't kind of waffle like that in person. That has to do with the phase of the camera, what it's being filmed at, just so you know. Of course, driver's information center there also, which I can scroll through things. All right. So 4,000, 214, top of the dash. Everything looks good. Sirius radio. And any questions and options, again, take a look at the window sticker that's in with the still pics and listen to this. There is a deep exhaust note. Definitely a little rumble coming out of this one. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruising, shows, or hey, let's face it, just taking it out and driving it. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's get this hood open. I want to mention one more thing. Remember to stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood and hood liners, you know, nice and clean that is. I don't think this car has really been driven in it too much for inclement weather. There it is. Cold air intake. And it does have that Predator tune. You got a little more performance out of this one. Nice, clean, tidy looking engine bay. ClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT8 limited edition Hemi orange pearl. Original miles 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT with a Hemi. This is an automatic on the center console right here. So you got all that power and it is easy to drive. Just put your foot down. Tons of power in this car. Lots of fun. You have bump shift. You want to bring her down to second. Or go up to third. Fourth, all kinds of fun. You could just leave it and drive it like a normal car. Stereo working good. All the amenities of a modern car with the retro styling of a Challenger. These are really good looking retro styled cars. Suede inlay on the seat is what I'm looking at right here between leather. Excellent power brakes. Under that speedometer we have a digital speedometer, which makes it even easier to read. Fuel gauge is 3/4 of a tank. Temperature gauge is approximately 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Corners very well, doesn't lean much at all. This car is ready to go. Handles excellent on the road. If you let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight. I have a sunroof over my head. Lots of great features in a very nice package. Good condition, good colors. You got that black carbon fiber looking stripes on the hood. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Challenger at uniqueclassiccars.com.